Welcome. In this video, we will discuss about the OSIRIS-REx mission, which is a mission by NASA related to the asteroid. So what it is, what are its mandate, what is its mission statement, we will discuss about this in detail in this video. Just for your information, this particular portion come under the section in your main syllabus which talked about the general awareness of space. So the missions of NASA or European Space Agency, ISRO, these are important from your examination point of view. So whenever such missions are in news, try to keep a note on it. So let's begin this video. So the first thing that we need to know is that recently NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft briefly touched down on the surface of asteroid Bennu to collect rock and dust sample. What is this spacecraft and what is this mission about? We will understand it in the upcoming slide. Let's first try to understand what asteroids are basically. So these are rocky objects that orbit the sun, much smaller than the planet. So if you know, in our solar system, the planets revolve around the sun, and these asteroids also revolve around the sun, but these are smaller than the planet. So anything smaller than the planet which is revolving around the sun, you could consider them as the asteroid. And what is the material they are made of? So they are mainly rocky objects, and they are also called by the name of minor planets because just by the concept that they are smaller than the planets. Bennu is an ancient asteroid currently more than 200 million miles from Earth. So this is the one which is the targeted asteroid for the NASA's mission of OSIRIS-REx. So this particular asteroid is actually an ancient one and around 200 million miles from Earth. Bennu offers scientists a window into early solar system as it was first taking shape billions of years ago and tossing ingredient that could have helped seed life on Earth. So why this particular asteroid became the matter of interest for the scientists at NASA is because this actually could have consist of the elements which lead to the formation of Earth. So it is actually an ancient asteroid which has not changed so far and which could have still considered the material during which the Earth was also taking shape. So it could just give a window to the scientists to understand the earlier solar system. So that is one of the things because of which it piqued the interest of scientists, and hence they have a mission to study it. This asteroid was first discovered by a team from NASA funded Lincoln Near Earth Asteroid Research Team in 1999. So this is the year when this particular asteroid was discovered. And in fact, there are some speculation that maybe in 2075 it could come and strike in the Earth. So there is also speculation regarding that. So this is some of the major detail you need to know about the what is asteroid and what is Bennu asteroid and why particular interest in that asteroid. So now let's move forward and try to also understand what this mission is all about. So it is United States first asteroid sample return mission. So first of all, just remember it is the first time the NASA has sent a mission to collect sample from the asteroid. So it is the first asteroid sample return mission which aims to collect and carry pristine, unaltered sample from an asteroid back to Earth for scientific study. So as mentioned earlier, this Bennu asteroid could provide an insight into the early solar system. So collecting sample from there and studying it on Earth could really help us understand how Earth was formed. OSIRIS-REx, which like the full form is Origins, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security, Regolith Explorer. So this is the entire full form. You don't have to remember, just remember it as OSIRIS-REx. Is a spacecraft which was launched in 2016 for the journey to Bennu. So it was launched in 2016. The mission is essentially a 7-year long voyage and will conclude when at least 760 grams of samples are delivered back to Earth. That is in 2023. It should be able to deliver at least 60 grams of samples like pristine and unaltered samples from the Bennu asteroid to the Earth. As per the NASA, the mission promises to bring the largest amount of extraterrestrial material back to the Earth since the Apollo era. So basically Apollo mission, after that this is the first time it is going to get the largest amount of extraterrestrial material. So 60 grams of material to the earth is considered as the largest extraterritorial material that would be coming to the earth through this spacecraft. Now, just for your information, what is Apollo? So Apollo was the NASA program that resulted in American astronaut making a total of 11 space flights and walking on the moon. So basically, if you remember the Neil Armstrong, the man who first walked on the moon, he was also traveling on the Apollo mission only. So that is the major thing regarding the Apollo mission. Now just quickly go through this mission again. So basically this is in the figuratively, just understand on what happened right now, why this particular thing was in news, because in October 2020 the probe touches the ground for 5 to 10 seconds to take samples. So this is what happened over here. This was the OSIRIS and this is Earth, and this is the asteroid Bennu, and it was able to take the sample over here, and that is why it is in news. How the OSIRIS looks like, so just see equipment. It includes the cameras, it has measuring and mapping instrument. Then there is a TACSAM system, which is an arm extended to take samples. So for an example, if you have to, a satellite has to take sample from somewhere, it has to have an extension, like then only it will be able to pick it up. So that thing is called as TACSAM in the OSIRIS-REx. You don't have to remember the length and weight and everything, but just remember the system is called as TACSAM system. So these are the few details. I have already discussed the Bennu asteroid. It is one of the the asteroid which is close to Earth, and it could it orbit the sun like all the other planets, smaller than sun, and hence this particular, and it was shaped during the time when the early solar system was taking place, and we could get the idea about how solar system was formed by studying the Bennu asteroid. So these are the few things that you need to know about the OSIRIS-REx mission. So I hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to drop a comment. Thank you.